Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Saujanya Pre-Primary Classes. Today I am going to tell you about the letters G and H. Today we learn about G and H letter words, and about those words we'll do some worksheets also. Writing of the words, activities and all we'll do in our worksheets. See, what is this letter? G. What is this letter? Z. This is capital G and this is small g. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. G for grapes. And what is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of G? G. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for Goa. G for Goa. And G for gate. G for gate. G for gun. G for gun. G for goat. G for goat. G for gift. G for gift. G for glass. Okay children? Now we'll do the worksheet about the letter Z. Okay? See. Now I told you what is this letter? Capital Z. What is this letter? Capital Z and small z. Capital Z, small z. Z for guitar. Z for guitar. What is the sound of G? G. G sound is G. When we are telling the picture identification, we have to tell with the sound. Then only they can identify the picture when they are asking the write the first letter of the picture. It is easy for them. And here I have given trace and write capital G and small g. See here. When they are writing these letters also, we have to tell them to touch the lines and write. Then only they will know how to write neatly on the lines also. Okay. See. Capital G. So first you have to know. Capital letter should write on first 3 lines. We will write in the 4 rule books. No. In that 4 rule books, capital letter should touch to the first 3 lines. Every capital letter should touch to the first 3 lines. Now we'll write capital Z. When they're writing also, tell the kids to read the letter with stroke. Right curve, sleeping line, standing line. Z. Right curve, go inside sleeping line and standing line. Capital Z. Capital Z. Next. Now we'll write the small g. Small g should write from the second line to down red line. Small g has to be written from middle. See, we'll be having black or blue lines in the notebooks. No? In that black or blue lines, first blue or black line to down red line will be having. We have to write up to that. Okay. First in the middle 2 lines, we have to put a circle and standing line down to the red line and a small curve. Small g. Circle, standing line, small curve. Small g. Circle, standing line, curve. Small g. Circle, standing line, curve. Small g. Circle has to touch to the 2 lines, middle 2 lines. Put a standing line down to the red line and a small curve. Small g. Now here I have given some activities for the kids. See here. Like circle the letter capital G, small g, write the missing letter and write the first letter of the picture. When we are giving this one, after writing this letter only, then they can easily identify the letter and they can keep that letter in their brains easily. Circle the letter capital G. See, here I have given some letters in that capital G is there. We have to circle that letter. See, observe here. Yes, small capital G, capital Z, capital Z, capital Z, capital Z. Now, circle the letter small g. See, where is small g here? Small g, small g, small g, small g, small g, small g, small g. Now, write the missing letter. See, these missing letters, they have to learn the after letters, before letters, between letters, like that they have to learn. So, that is the reason this missing letters I was teaching for them. Capital E, capital F, capital Z. They'll learn the order of the letter also. E, F, Z. Now, write the first letter of the picture. Why we are giving this one? The children has to know the picture with which letter it is starting also. And the sound of that letter also they have to know. So, the reason only we will practice them to do. This, what is this? Gift. Gift starts with the letter Z. What is this? Grapes. What is the sound we are getting first? G. G means Z. Grapes. Okay, now we learn H letter words. Now we learn the H letter words. This is called H. What is this letter? H. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. What is the sound of H? H. What is the sound of H? Ha. What is the sound of H? H. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. H for horse. H for horse. H for house. H for house. H for, see, H for head. H for head. H for hammer. H for hammer. Now, we'll write the worksheets of H. Already I told what is this? Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. What is the sound of H? H. What is the sound of H? H. Horse. H for horse. Now, trace the letter. See, standing line, sleeping line, capital H. 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 Now, small h. How to write small h? Small h has to touch to the first three lines. Okay? Standing line, down curve. What is this? Standing line, down curve. This is called small h. Standing line, down curve, small h. Standing line, down curve, small h. Standing line, down curve, small h. Now, circle the letter capital H and small h. Here, we have to circle the letter capital H and small h. See, here I have given capital H and small h. Both the letters we have to circle. See, this is small h, capital H, small h, capital H, small h, capital H, small h. Now, highlight the words that will start with capital H and small h. Here we have to highlight the words which will start with the H. Okay. See here, what is this word? Horse. Horse starts with the letter H. So, now we have to highlight the H. Now, apple. Apple starts with the letter H. No, so it is not. Hat. Hat starts with the letter H. Yes. Now, we have to highlight the word H. Now, ball. Ball starts with the letter H. Observe, listen the sound ba. It's coming the sound ba, not ha, no. So, not it is. So, it is not. Now, hammer. Ha. Hammer. Hammer. Ha. Ha means H. So, hammer starts with the letter H. So, now highlight the letter hammer. Now, car. Car starts with the letter C. But it not starts with the letter H. So, it's not. Now, head. Head starts with the letter H. We are getting the sound ha. We are getting the sound ha, no? So, we have to highlight this word. Now, write the missing letters. Here, some letters have been missed. We have to write G. G after H. Next, I, J. What will come before? Small h. Now, write the first letter. Write the first letter of the given picture. What is this picture? H. House. Ha. Ha means H. House. What is this picture? Hat. Hat means What the sound of hat? First letter ha. Ha means H. Okay children, practice at your homes. Bye.